to come closer.
Are you ready for your debut video? Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV.
Hello. What do I say? I don't do this. What do I say?
Today I am here with a try-on haul from ASOS. All of the garments in here are ADIDAS, and my special guest for the first time debuting on my channel, I figured we would start off with a try-on haul rather than straight into a husband tag, but this is my husband, Will. Hi guys.
Hi guys, I'm Will, married to this beautiful lady. And we're doing a haul today, or a try-on haul. So let's kick this.
This is a try-on haul. I am calling this unisex, and by unisex I mean when I purchase it and it's cool, someone steals it. We were after kind of like windbreaker jackets, coats, hoodies, things like that badly for winter. We go through them a lot, especially this one, because he annihilates them all.
I do.
AKA Lotto jacket from Hong Kong, slashed with white paint.
This is true.
And that was the coolest jacket.
It was.
It was. So.
And the hottest jacket in the world for Australia, by the way.
It was built for the snow. So let's get into this bag and try on these items. Are you excited?
I am, because I have not seen what you bought.
No? Okay.
Oh, wow. Very cool.
Wow.
It is very ADIDAS.
So this, let me get this.
ADIDAS.
This is the ADIDAS Originals short bomber jacket. Yes. Why doesn't it tell me the price?
Maybe I should get rid of that.
Nice. Let me see.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Nice for winter.
Okay.
Up close.
All right, let's get a good shot. Yeah, that's nice. Turn around, show them the back. So this has the embossed, it's not embossed, sorry, it's like a patchwork ADIDAS, so if you put your arms out. Nice, cool, turn around, and then it's got the bronzed tri-leaf on it. It's been on sale, actually, but it's awesome. Okay, my turn.
I'm sorry. Oh, you're wearing it too?
It's unisex try-on.
So you bought all this stuff from me, but actually for you.
Sherry, you didn't even listen to the intro?
Would you like
Thanks.
to try it on that?
Oh, there's a tag. I'm saying I don't know how much it is, and there's a tag, and it doesn't have a price on it. So it's a size. So it's a size XL. So probably a lot more suited to you.
But I'm sure you'll get away with wearing it. What do you want to do?
I'd probably
Like
be a bit like,
shit, like, what's up?
what's up? So that's it, nice and close with the emblem. Cute! This is the Firebird track top. No, it's not. Let me see. Okay, this was off the girls' page.
Okay. But I look great.
But
in the
it's
girls'
still
shirt.
cool. I just don't know if gold is your zhuzh.
I don't think it could be my shoes.
Am I going to try? I don't know what it is though.
Okay. Darling,
It's pretty cool.
Bought it, so
That's cool.
that's cool.
So this is like your black windbreaker that you already have. So
Yeah.
it's got the gold foiled like slashes on the side, and then just the ADIDAS logo there, and 2 zip pockets.
Yeah, cool.
Very cute. Oh, this one is
And
lit. This
and
is
I've
lit.
decided to
Yeah, this one you're gonna love this.
possibly dress me like a coach.
This is sick, actually. Yeah, this has got the Addy break on the side, so this is the breakaway
I think this
jacket.
might be a little bit small for me.
So it's got the big trifoil on the back, and then it's actually got the breakaways on the side. Okay. It actually breaks away, that's so cool. So these are like the old school kind of breakaway pants.
I'm a Zara person. I'm just not. I wouldn't wear this. Do You will not see me walking out of the house. Sorry.
Okay. Should I try that one on?
I think so.
Cool. It's better and
But
I'm very football inspired.
Inspired?
Well, I got it because your lotto won.
Perfect. This is really good.
Oh, that's nice. Look at the inside.
See, this is me.
That's nice.
Cool.
Look at the inside. This. That's really nice. So here is a close-up shot of this one. I just want to show them the inside. Look how nicely this is made. It's got like this really beautiful riveting with the ADIDAS on it, and then the logoing just on the back, which is quite nice. And then it's got inside pockets. That's cool. Step forward.
In the hood.
That's nice. Actually, that can be your bomber, and then I can keep this bomber because I
would wear both those.
You look really good in that
one. That
one.
was really good. This was really good.
You don't like that
That
style.
was questionable.
Yeah, I agree. That's fine.
Okay. And the gold is questionable.
Okay.
What do we have next?
I think the two tights are mine.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't.
Did you get me tights?
You didn't. See, so this one for me, this is definitely like ice skater mum.
Ice skater mum. When Masi starts jiu-jitsu and soccer, then we can definitely
This is so
wear
good.
that.
That's good
Get
for you.
out of your
I love that for
Range Rover soccer mum.
Oh, but now what are you doing to the camera?
Oh, sorry. Back at the camera.
Okay, this is
That
just
is a raincoat.
This is just a windbreaker. Oh wow.
Very, very thin.
This is the windbreaker jacket. Oh no, it's not a jacket, it's the pullover. Okay. 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 I'll put this one on.
Are you right? You need a hand getting dressed?
Well, you gotta follow through with the commitment, you see.
See, the idea is it's really good to stand in front of a mirror and model and do these ones.
What do
But
you-
then when you go to your wardrobe, do you actually pick it up? That is what you have to ask
Well,
yourself.
this is not the zhuzh, so I wouldn't. That's fine. So this is the windbreaker.
Yeah.
I don't know how much it was. Okay, I'm going to show you the tights up close. This one is going to go and get ready because we're actually going to a wedding now. But I wanted to get this video done today when the shipment came in, and I think it was a good success.
I think it was good.
I think that's
50% is always good. Anything above 50% when you do a mail order, you know, because things always have to go back.
And I love ordering online now, especially the ASOS. We can return it.
Yeah.
I just take it to the drop off at the post office and they just take it back. It's like
Perfect.
actually the easiest.
Perfect.
So I think that was successful.
Well done.
Ding.
Ding.
Okay. Alright, so I also grabbed in here a pair, the correct size pair of tri-stripe leggings, which I really wanted to get, and this looks much better than the last order I did. I did a really big order and they were like size 8, so that's much better. They'll fit really nicely. They're just the plain black with the white tri-stripes leggings, which is nice. Then the last item of the whole haul was this, the velvet. This is the velvet track top in the navy blue, but it's kind of like a dusty blue, and I saw this, I've seen this in person in the ADIDAS shop, and I just thought it was gorgeous. And I've got my black velour or velvet tri-stripe trackies, and they're so nice. So this is beautiful. It's nice. That's really pretty actually. Super comfortable. Their velvet collection is like so comfy. I would love this too in black. That would be really, really nice. Cute. I like this a lot. Okay guys, that completes my try on haul from ADIDAS featuring my husband Will. I'm so glad you guys could meet him. on a proper video, and we will most probably, fingers crossed, be doing a husband tag video now that he's been on this video. If you enjoyed this try on haul and you want to see any more try on hauls, especially with him, please hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, that would be so great, guys. We will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.